A video. I'm taking a video. Hi, Josh.
Those fingers look good.
Do they taste like chicken? No, it's a milk lake restaurant.
Right. Soy chicken.
Soy chicken. So yeah. Are you showing everyone your new trick of eating your thumbs all the time? Want to look in the camera? Is it yummy? Oh, don't choke yourself. Yeah. What's up? Super. Want to eat your thumb again? You're the youngest sports fan, and this is ESPN Radio. They're broadcasting right over there. And you are a cute sports fan. Right? Right? Yeah. Oh, I'm very proud that you took your fingers out of your mouth for this video. Oh, there they go, back in. Hi, sweetie. Okay. That's it. We're waiting for our food. Bye, Booba. Okay. Bye-bye.